Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. For this evening, I am Daedran. YG Marley goes gold with the Praise Star in the Moonlight. YG's 2023 debut release surpassed another milestone in generating more traction by receiving gold certification in France on Tuesday. The certification was issued by National Syndicate of Phonographic Publishing in France. The single was previously certified silver in the UK and platinum in New Zealand. It also gave the singer his debut on the Billboard charts. Congrats. Now, Fat Joe reveals his 2004 hit single, Lean Back, was created for us Jamaicans. Speaking Tuesday on the Jennifer Hudson Show, the American rapper stated that he wanted to create something that Jamaicans could dance to, which later led to the making of the track.
At the time, the Jamaicans was winning, and it was like, signal the plane, a rock away, a running man. And I was like, yo, when I came up with the hook, I was like, yo, we need something the Jamaicans could rock with. So we came with My People Don't Dance. We just pull up our pants and do the rock away. So lean back, lean back, lean back.
The song, which was featured on his True Story album, was a Terror Squad collaboration with American rapper Remy Ma. Following its release, Lean Back topped both the US Billboard Hot 100 and Hot R&B Hip Hop Singles and Tracks charts. It also received a Grammy nomination for Best Rap Performance by a Duo or Group in 2004 at the 47th Annual Grammy Awards. Lean Back. That's crazy, says American rapper and singer and songwriter Lauryn Hill as she tops Apple Music's 100 albums list. The X Factor singer claimed the #1 spot with her 1998 solo debut, The Miseducation of Lauryn Hill. The 16-track project remains her only solo career release. In an Instagram post, Apple Music shared a snippet of the surprise intimate dinner where Hill was made aware of the news.
That's crazy.
And the one best album.
This is my award, but it's a rich, deep narrative and involves so many people and so much sacrifice and so much time and so much collective love. This is as much mine as it is yours. This is our celebration, Mommy. Mommy, this is yours.
In 1999, Hill became the first woman to earn 5 Grammys in one night. Her wins included Best New Artist, Best R&B Album, and Album of the Year. Michael Jackson's Thriller took Apple Music's #2 spot, while the Beatles' Abbey Road came in at #3. Meanwhile, Lauryn Hill hints at releasing new music. Last week, American media outlet TMZ spoke with Hill's son, YG Marley, who said that new music is on the way and the possibility of him working with his mom on her new album.
Music's on the way.
For real this time? Don't listen. Don't get as excited about it. Oh, sorry about that.
No problem.
So it is on the way. So we can get excited.
Yeah.
I love that. Are you going to be like helping her with the process or like?
I guess we'll have to see.
Hill later confirmed YG's response.
Ms. Hill, your son said that we can expect some new music from you.
Let's go, guys. Thank you.
His last release was back in 2019 when she performed the single Guarding the Gates for Queen and Slim, the soundtrack. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.